Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have this trail cam tree mount. So this one's pretty neat because it doesn't come with an actual trail cam. This is just a mount. So you can basically use any mount, any camera that you have available to you. So that is the grip, and that will go against the tree. And we're going to go outside and actually try this out with my GoPro. And then this is the strap that would go around the tree, and it kind of has that little spring loaded here to make it nice and grippy. And then you have a couple screws that you can do for like a a wall mount, or to make it like a little bit more secure. You got some extra bolts that come with this. But let's open up the Allen key so we can adjust this mount on here. So basically, I think it's a smaller one. Yeah, it's going to be this one. So I put that in this end, and then that's going to free up this mount to be able to be positioned out. And we're going to probably do it like that, but we'll bring that with us. And then you can angle this, articulate this arm out. So if you got a bunch of branches or stuff in the way, you can actually, do a different configuration on that. So we'll bring that with us. We'll bring everything outside. And to give you an idea, so that's my my GoPro, and it has one of these universal mounts on it, so we can spin that around, and then you can adjust that because it has that little washer ring that's on there, so we can slide that out. And like I said, any camera, trail cam or camera mount, or any type of camera that you want to use out in the woods, that's what that is for. So you don't have to be tied down to just one camera. You can use several different cameras on this same mount. Anyway, let's go outside and we'll mount this to a tree, and I'll show you how it looks. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're outside. So you basically have your strap here. So what we are going to do is we're going to basically run it through the trail cam holder, the mounts. Alright, so just get that going. Just whip that around. And like I said, it has this double latch on here. So what you want to do is you want to run it through here, underneath. Then you can run it up through on the other side, through. Then you just kind of work it around. Mount it on this side. Just give it a nice pull and make sure it's nice and tight. And then again, you can mount that camera at whatever angle you need. And then from the side view, you can kind of see how it's mounted nice and even up there. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.